Hello students, now we go to third problem of exercise 10.1. Fourth problem is draw a circle and two lines parallel to given line such that one is a tangent and the other a secant to the circle. Okay, here if AB is the given line, AB is the given line, AB is the given line, AB is the given line. This is the AB is the given line, and CD is a tangent. CD is a tangent to the given circle at M. CD is a tangent intersecting at M. This is the CD is a tangent intersect the circle at point M. Here M is point of contact. And parallel to AB. This tangent is parallel to given line AB. If EF is a secant, EF is a secant parallel to given line AB. If EF is a secant, EF is a secant of circle. This EF line is, that means secant line is parallel to AB and tangent. Okay. Therefore, a circle, two lines parallel to the given line such that one is tangent and other one is secant. Okay. Hence proved. Thank you.